That's a good start.
Meh!
Who the hell just did...
Alan!
What? Okay.
Alan!
Steve! Steve!
Brilliant. This is so definitely going on the site. Along with my expert flying of these telegraph wires. I'm surprised I don't get electrocuted actually.
We should set the server up and just spawn in half a dozen Pawnees, shouldn't we? Have a little.
Oh, that is a good idea.
Have a little
And flight
PvP.
model only.
What, just fly around?
Yeah.
We used to do that on
Arma 2, didn't we? Yeah.
on Kabul. Yeah. What was it? Chernarus used to do that one.
Northwest Air.
Oh, my birds
Yeah.
got stuck.
We used to do that as well. We used to lock the server and just try every weapon there is. You'd be right laugh.
My bird's trapped. It's dying in the telephone wires.
Your first what?
The bird, it's dying in the telephone wires.
Where?
I can't get out. I'm trapped.
Well, let's shoot it.
Don't shoot me.
Where are you?
I'm an innocent seagull.
I can't see you on the map.
There's no such thing.
Don't hurt me.
Clit.
Am I not on the map?
No.
I'm a seagull. Of course I'm not on the map.
Oh, I thought it might have your name up.
What,
Yeah,
George?
should do, shouldn't it?
Well, even though I'm playing as a seagull.
George Seagull.
Well, it shows your name, doesn't it? And your location in the map.
Oh, I'm free! Free as a bird!
So I hope your audio's working now.
Oh, it is. It's got to be. Let's find out. Thank you.